Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add custom cosmetics to your Gorilla Tag copy. And if you don't have a Gorilla Tag copy, you can look at my old video, the one right before this, and you can have one. So first off, you're going to go in the link in my description, and you can go to, it's like either in the comments or the description. You can go to non-scripts, creator badges, download the creator badges, then you're going to go back into your Unity, right click, import package, custom package, then you're going to click on your creator badges, open that, click all, then import. Then after you do that, you're going to double click on here. I'm just going to be showing you how to add finger painter. This works for every cosmetic, not just the finger painter or the illustrator. As long as you have a cosmetic, it will work. I don't think it works for holdables and newer updates. I think it works for holdables in the badge updates, but I don't know if they have it in the newer updates. I don't know if it works. So what you're gonna do is you're going to, so change this to whatever you want. I'm doing it to FP for finger painter. Then you're gonna copy that name. You're going to go to playfab and player, not economy, catalog, DLC, new item, item ID, paste it as FP, do that for that. And if you want to make it buyable, then you can. I'm not showing you how to make it buyable, I'm just showing you how to add custom cosmetics right now. So after you do that, you're going to put it, just adjust it to where you want your finger painter badge to be. I'm going to time lapse this so it won't take this that long. So that did not take very long, and I'd say that's actually pretty good finger painter. Don't really care where it actually is in like the actual game, because this is where I have it in my game. So you're going to unpack completely, Control C, then you're going to drag that into body, then drag it up a little bit right there. So it's like there. Then you can turn that off. Then you're going to click on actual gorilla, see FP right here, drag this into cosmetics, make sure the number goes up right there, and if you need to check, you can just click on that, and you can go down here and it'll say FP for finger painter or whatever you're doing it as. Then after you do that, you're going to, my bad if you hear me like blowing on the camera because I'm like, or my microphone, it's because I'm like kind of sick right now. I got like some sniffles or whatever they're called. And right here, you're going to, after you do that, you're going to look up, after you do that, you're going to look up Gorilla. I haven't done this and I'm kind of tired right now. I haven't done this in a while. So Gorilla Player Actual. Then you're going to right click on body, paste as child. Make sure you paste as child, don't just paste. Then drag it up to where the cosmetics are. And for here, it's like right there. Then turn. Okay, where's that at? Why can't I see that? Is that like. Why is this all the way out here? Okay, let's Control C that. So let's go back into non-gorilla player. Let's turn FP. My bad. FP, turn that on. Copy components. Go in Gorilla Player Actual. Find Gorilla Player Actual first. Gorilla. Here we go. Clear errors real quick. Drag this in. Call it FP. Drag this unpack completely, then paste component values. Then that's going to be right there. Then you are going to click on Gorilla Player Actual, drag FP into cosmetics. And right here, that would look like that right there. So right here, you can see it says FP right there, and it's there. Now you can turn that off, and that's all you have to do in here. So you're going to, after you do that, you can exit out of here. Go to Gorilla Game Manager. You're not done yet, so you still gotta do this. Just wait. Gorilla Game Manager. Scroll all the way to the right. High text slingshot. Type comma space 1 space then whatever you typed in. Then you can do a comma at the end if you want. I don't really care, but after you do that, you're gonna exit out of there. Then it'll probably show up as an error right here. But okay, nothing that we need to worry about. Yeah, so now this is all we gotta do. This is actually one of the easiest parts. We're going to go to, don't have to do that anymore. You can exit out of there. Click on one of these things. Then see wardrobe, head models. Head models left, you're going to turn all of these and you're going to turn them off. Just for now, you're going to put them back on later. This is just so you can do the finger painter badge. So, creator's badge, tier 1 finger painter. You're going to scale that down. Put that on wherever you want that to be. So, I don't really care how it looks, so I'm just gonna put it like right on the face, just so people know it's like finger painter, or maybe not on the face, but I'll just put it where it usually goes. I guess I'll put it right here as finger painter. Then we're going to unpack completely, call that FP, and drag this into head models left, drag that into badge, then turn all of these back on, then open badge, and head models left, drag FP into the head model script. Alright, looking pretty good? Well, hopefully it is. So after you do that, you're going to close it out of that. Actually, no, you're gonna see FP right here, Control C that. Here, badge, paste that. Then you're going to do the same thing. Head model center, drag this into cosmetics. And at the end, I'll show you how to make a Bible. Then head model right, badge, paste as child. Head model right, cosmetics. Head models top. You're going to have to do something else at the end before, so don't just like quit after this. FP and right there. So now you have everything, and you're gonna look up right here, cosmetics C, cosmetics controller. You're going to go into all cosmetics, add name FP, display name FP, item picture, I don't care what you put that as. Let's just have it as none. Then if you want it to make it a Bible, which if you want it to be Bible, then you can do this, but you probably shouldn't do this because I'm making a different tutorial on how to make Bible cosmetics custom. And then that's all you have to do, make sure that's badge, and then that's done. And now let me give myself the script. I mean, not myself the script. Let me give myself the badge. Tutorial legacy. FP. Grant items. Now I have it. And now look, if I go into the game. Don't forget to save. Right here. The goo right here. Now I click on badges, click badge. See, I actually have the finger painter. Then I click on it, and it comes on. And it's working now. Looks pretty good, huh? I can move it like that. That's kind of cool, I guess, but you probably shouldn't because that might actually ruin the thing. I don't know. Let me check. No, it goes... yeah, it goes like that. But it doesn't save in game in play mode. So, if you like that tutorial, thanks for watching. And if you want to do the same thing you just did, you can do that for the other head models too. Like you can paste this child and then it'll be like the same size. Then like you can head model 3 drag this into FP. If you want it to be able to be put on in city 2, then you're gonna have to do this for this part too. It's actually pretty easy. It just might take a few seconds. I actually don't even know why people think that this is hard. It's literally one of the easiest things that you can possibly do. You just literally gotta do that, and now you're all done. And look at my next tutorial if you want to know how to add custom Bibles. And thanks for watching this, and peace out.